Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to clear Google Chrome search history on an Android device. Okay, let's jump to the tutorial. First of all, please open Google Chrome on your device. And if you want to delete your search history in Chrome, and then you can click the option in the upper right corner. After that, you can select history. And then here will appear your search history in Google Chrome. Okay, and then you can delete one by one like this. Or you can delete everything by clicking clear browsing data and then you can select the time interval you want. Okay, after that, click clear data and then your search history has been successfully cleared. Well, that's the tutorial on how to clear Google Chrome search history on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.